Welcome to Leesburg Today's Daily Update for July 27th. I'm Samantha Bartram. Finding funding for two of Leesburg's most needed transportation projects and possibly hosting a regional meeting on funding road projects were cited Monday night as top objectives of Leesburg's Town Council for the coming year. During the council's strategic planning session, which served as a sort of retreat to kick off the fiscal year, each council member brought forward their top 3 priorities. The council then whittled down the list of 21 to those items a majority agreed should be addressed first. A few somewhat controversial matters will be on the council's radar screen, with a majority supporting exploring the financial implications of annexation and extending utility service outside of the town, as well as resolving the years-long legal fight over the higher utility rates charged to out-of-town customers. Council members also brought forward some out-of-the-box ideas, including focusing more on youth-based recreation spots and attracting businesses to the town's economic development strategy that cater to young people. Another suggestion was focusing more on how the town can become pedestrian-oriented with greater use of bike lanes. The Loudoun Community Health Center announced the start of a new treatment service today aimed at helping one of the community's most vulnerable populations, children. Kids Sick Care allows parents to bring their children to the health center anytime between 8 and 10 a.m. Monday through Friday without an appointment. All a parent must do is register their children to become established patients of the health center to take full advantage of the walk-in service. Kids Sick Care hours are for children with acute illnesses only, such as sore throat, fever, earaches, rashes, stomach aches, flu-like symptoms, asthma flare-ups, or other worrisome conditions. The service is not for adults, general physical exams and checkups, vaccinations, or chronic medical problems, which appointments must be made to address. The Loudoun Community Health Center is a charitable organization providing medical, dental, and mental health services to anyone in need, regardless of age or ability to pay or insurance status. To learn more about Kids Sick Care or any of the services offered at the health center, call 703-443-2000. Loudoun Cares and Legal Services of Northern Virginia are celebrating the opening of a new facility on South King Street in downtown Leesburg that will serve as the home of several nonprofit organizations in the county. Loudoun Cares Director Andy Johnston was on hand to welcome the first tenants of the nonprofit center and explain what the new facility has to offer.
I've been working on this for over 6 years now, and our goal has been to develop a facility where we could house multiple nonprofit organizations, keep their rents low, so more of their money goes to programs and services. And we purchased the building in October. We've now remodeled a small portion of it, about 2,000 square feet of a total of 10,000 square feet. But our first tenants are moving in here today, and that's what we're seeing in terms of the boxes. And you can come right on through. The tenants are moving in. This is Legal Services of Northern Virginia's suite. We've been able to provide them a lot of specialized construction related to their needs in this space. This will help them serve their clients better. We've got access to great parking here. And these are our very first tenants. In the adjoining suite, we will have brain injury services moving in. Friends of Loudoun Mental Health will share a space with them. We're talking with several other nonprofit organizations about moving into that space as well. And we're working towards a much larger renovation effort in the adjacent building that's part of this project.
For more information on Loudoun Cares and Legal Services of Northern Virginia, visit them online at loudoncares.org and lsnv.org. Finally, we bring you some images from yesterday's county fair as little ones made four-legged friends and others battled it out to become the county's champion corn-on-the-cob eater. Tonight, get ready for the Ball of Steel motorcycle stunt show and the Timberworks Lumberjacks show starting at 6:30. If you're planning ahead to tomorrow evening, make time to attend the second annual outhouse race starting at 7:30 p.m. in the horse ring. Though tonight's motorcycle and lumberjack stunts are thrilling to be sure, the outhouse race has a homegrown appeal those other events just can't touch. Local individuals, business teams, and families spend weeks customizing their outhouses in a bid for the top spot in the race. Seats fill quickly for this fair favorite, so be sure to arrive early. If you still need your fossil fuel fix, another installment of the Ball of Steel motorcycle stunt show will immediately follow the outhouse race. For further information, check out our Today at the Fair feature in the Community Events section of our website or visit loudouncountyfair.com. For more on these and other stories around our community, visit us online at leesburgtoday.com.